All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is March 4th, Wednesday, March 4th. I did end up securing a $7,500 payout with Lucid today. Not an AM session. This is not the trade I took. I'll go over the trade I took right now. This is a trade I liked. This is also a trade I really liked, but I didn't know there was news. I was literally about to enter, and then price just went to my TV. I didn't know that there was news at 10 a.m. So this is the trade I tried taking. I was asleep when this happened, and this is a trade I also really liked right here. You created an order block, you just put your stops above that, and then you just TP the internal low for a 1-to-1. Simple as that. This was a great trade as well, right? Only issue was I woke up at 9:45. So how did I secure a payout if I woke up at 9:45? Let me actually show you guys my account so I can. Let's see if we can get these accounts up and running. You never let me go. I did trade Asia basically. Here we go. I traded Asia on 2 of my accounts to just secure that winning day. I made $700 and $300 on accounts, right? Just to secure those winning days to get that payout in. Now let's go over what I took in Asia session. That I thought was a very obvious setup. So in Asia, I was bearish. I was very bearish in Asia. We have a couple things, right? We have this unfilled 4-hour gap. I was honestly bearish on the higher time frame. I didn't think price was going to be bullish today. That's also why I was very hesitant to long, because the higher time frame is just bullish up until this reversal right now. We just completely reversed with no indication of why. Everything was bearish. Obviously, we showed some weakness here, but that doesn't validate why we were even weak to begin with here. We should have just flushed right through. All right. So, where is this? Here we go. We have unfilled 4-hour gaps resting below us in Asia session, right? And then we actually tapped right into it at Asia Open. I was bearish to that low. I also took a nap and I overslept Asia Open as well, which kind of fucked me up. I've been oversleeping a lot recently. Wow. Next thing I know, what do? We tapped into OT of this range right here, getting nice reaction to the downside. I got filled like here. Targeting like this gap. Took something like this. Basically the trade I took, right, in Asia session. Pretty simple. Either this or I think it was this. I think it was this. I think I entered to the internal low, not to the unfilled gap down there. This is basically what I took off this displacement. Yeah, I remember now. Okay, yeah, this displacement was like my entry. Or this one. I entered in the span from 654 to 656. That's all I know, right? Next thing I know, price hit CP here, boom, winning day, and we secured a $2,500 payout across 3 accounts, so $7,500 payout, and max payout on 1 account. So pretty cool. After profit split, we're looking at $7,000, which is not bad at all. No trades in AM. Why? Because we had news. I wanted to take it. This was a really good long in my opinion. Open low, CISD right here. I was like, all right, this is a really good candle to go long on. And then we just fucking rip. We just rip on the spot. And then after that, I didn't like any longs. I didn't like longs. We have previous day high right here. Very strong draw on liquidity. I didn't like it. Why? The only entry we got was this IFEG, and I think it's terrible. Terrible entry. So yeah. If you guys have any questions about these trades or anything, let me know. Feel free to comment. I will be there to answer. With that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. All right. Peace out.